Welcome. Are you looking to enhance your Tesla with premium accessories? This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to buy from Jowua, a leading online retailer specializing in Tesla accessories. We'll cover everything from browsing their catalog to applying discounts and installing your new gear. Jowua offers a wide range of products, including phone mounts, interior organizers, charging adapters, and exterior enhancements designed specifically for Tesla models like the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Cybertruck. As of 2025, Jowua boasts strong sales growth, a 4.85 customer rating, and has sold over 500,000 accessories annually. The first step is to browse Jowua's website at jowua.com to find the accessories you need. Use the site's filter tool to specify your Tesla model. Jowua uses AI to suggest accessories based on your vehicle specs, such as recommending a universal phone mount for a Model Y. Look for the compatibility section to ensure the accessory works with your specific Tesla version and year. Also, be sure to check out the product descriptions for detailed information, images, and customer reviews. Once you've selected an accessory, check for any customization options that might be available. Some products offer personalization, such as engraving or color matching. These options appear on the product page with real-time pricing updates as you make your selections. Accessories can be customized with engraving to add a personal touch, making them unique to your needs. Consider useful add-ons like installation tools or extended warranties to enhance your purchase and ensure proper setup. Be sure to read the descriptions carefully to understand what's included and any potential limitations with your customizations. Jowua frequently offers discounts and promotions to help you save on premium Tesla accessories. Look for exclusive codes like Tesla 2025, which can provide significant savings on your purchases. The guide also highlights bundling deals, such as buy 2 items and get 1 at 50% off. These deals allow you to purchase multiple accessories while maximizing your savings. Discount codes can be easily applied during the checkout process. Simply enter the code in the designated field to see your savings applied instantly. Before completing your purchase, be sure to check Jowua's website or promotional emails for the latest deals and available codes. This ensures you're taking advantage of all current offers. Jowua also uses dynamic pricing based on your purchase history and offers flash sales during Tesla event days. These special promotions can provide additional savings on popular accessories. Once you've added your desired items and applied any discounts, proceed to the checkout page. Jowua offers secure payment options, including PayPal, Apple Pay, and even crypto. The site uses fraud detection measures, potentially including biometric verification, to protect your financial information. Review your order carefully before submitting, ensuring that all items and quantities are correct. Step 5 focuses on shipping, returns, and installation. Jowua offers free shipping on orders over $50, typically delivering within 5 to 7 business days to ensure timely arrival of your Tesla accessories. They also provide a 30-day return policy, allowing you to return unused items in original packaging for a full refund or exchange, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Once your order arrives, installation is often straightforward. Jowua provides detailed video tutorials for DIY installation, helping you avoid costly Tesla service fees. These tutorials cover everything from mounting phone holders to installing interior organizers. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully to avoid damaging your Tesla or the accessory, ensuring a safe and successful installation. Let's examine real-world examples to see how Jowua's accessories deliver value. A Model Y owner recently upgraded their center console with a premium organizer and wireless charger bundle priced at $149, achieving substantial savings compared to Tesla's official accessories. The bundle included a 3D printed organizer tray with multiple compartments and a high-quality wireless charger, all designed for seamless integration. Another popular example is the Cybertruck bed rack, which quickly sold out during a 30% promotional discount. This accessory provides secure mounting for bikes and gear, with customers reporting straightforward installation that doesn't require professional help. The rack enhances the Cybertruck's utility while maintaining its sleek design. Jowua's website and blog showcase detailed case studies, including stories of fleet owners saving thousands through bulk discounts and individual buyers experiencing improved vehicle functionality. These examples highlight how premium accessories can enhance Tesla ownership while offering competitive pricing and quality. The Tesla accessories market is rapidly evolving. Expect to see more sustainable products like solar-powered chargers and smart accessories that integrate with Tesla's software. Jowua is also likely to incorporate AI-driven personalization and blockchain technology for authenticity. By following this step-by-step guide, you can confidently purchase premium Tesla accessories from Jowua, enhancing your driving experience while saving money. Thanks for watching.